In this video, I will unpack the analytics options available for the VBOUT landing pages. Once you access your landing pages on VBOUT, you can see a brief details of how many visitors and what's the conversion like. These are people who filled out the form on that page. On the right side, you have multiple options for analytics. You have the default button right here, and you also will see heat map data. I will open this and revisit it in a second. You will also see a browser push analytics, identifying who had signed up to your web push settings if and only if you've activated them first, of course, from the push settings option. And I'm going to click on the analytics to see it in details. The first thing I want you to note is that there is an option here for going back in time. So if you want to go back, let's say to January, all the way to end of the year, apply. This will break it down to you month by month visits. Okay. You will notice below there's a page visit, direct visits, anything organic or referrals, and feel free to turn some of these options on or off to customize the chart based on what you want. It also shows you the total sessions and the visitors, including the conversions. How this is broken down by visitors versus contacts. Contacts are identified leads within the VBOUT system. Anonymous are just IPs browsing around. This breaks it down by medium, where people are coming from, and third-party referrals, if they're coming in from some channels where you've activated your TMs and so on. Any signups should show up in here. Any visitors also visited the page and they are cookied, so we know who they are. Any clicks on the page. So if your page included URLs, the clicks will be tracked automatically. Any referrals, where they came from, including direct, Facebook, or others. If I click direct, I can see some of the data associated with it. Okay. This is not showing. It's a dummy example here, but this data will be available to you. Device breakdown and geolocation breakdown as well. Now looking at the heat map data, on the top, you'll see that black toolbar because I had to visit it using the option from the dropdown, but I also have a little access to it here, which is convenient. Now, if I click on the click map right here on top, it shows me exactly where people are clicking on this page. I can also show this heat map where people are moving their mouse on the screen. Right. We have a scroll map, and we have a little filter that shows you how these are broken down by date or by visitor type and by location. Note that heat map data retains the data for 3 months. So if you don't have updated information on an ongoing basis, it just pulls up the last 3 months worth of data. You also see here I have different screen sizes I can toggle in between. Okay. And if you want to reset it, simply just go to full screen, and that resets it for you. So this is the analytics available under VBOUT. Between the page analytics and heat map, you really have a wealth of data on how your landing pages are performing, independent from all the other assets you've launched, like your websites and others.